Hey guys, so we're doing the mini for Elite 2-box mixer for Seahawks, Vikings, Texans, and Jags. I'm gonna go over to Heath's room. We're gonna type live so you all can see. I'm gonna go back over here. The list that we have was this is at 10:49. It is now 10:49. The list I got is Nikki, Al, Chris, Al, Sean, Jason, Chris, Jason, Skip. The list on the top of Heath's post, going all the way to the top, is also Nick, Al, Chris, Al, Sean, Jason, Chris, Jason, Skip. Heath told me he wants to die higher than 5, so we're looking for anything 6 or more to run around. First roll is a 7, so we're going to go with 7 rounds. As you can see here, 7 rounds, same list. Time right now is 10:50. It is still 10:50. We're going to start now. Shut up, antivirus. Begin. Round 1 is done. Round 2 is done. Round 3 is done. Round 4 is done. Round 5 is done. That's 6. Next up is 7. We're looking for 7 rounds once again. Time is 10:50. It is 10:50. Next round wins. We're looking for the top 4 as our winners. Good luck, everybody. And the winners are Chris Thompson, Skip, and then Chris Thompson. Congratulations, you two. It will be posted in just a second. Good luck on the break, and talk to you guys soon.